solid primitives cone. If you go to solid primitives cone tool available here, select this 3D cone, specify the center point of base. This is the base and you have to make this base radius, and if you specify the height of cone, you will get it cone. If you go to cone again, specify the base point and give the value of radius. I just make it 50 units, and which direction you need height, move your mouse pointer to that side and give the value of that height. Now I given 50, enter, it is created. Again go to cone. Here you can see 3 point, 2 point, tan radius, elliptical. These all the option similar to the cylinder. You can make these option also, you can use to create cone. And I just specify the base radius, and here we have few more options. The first one is 2 point. If you click this 2 point, you can specify what is the first point. You can use this reference point. This is the first point and this is the second point. Now you will get it, this cone and this cone both are in same height. If you go to this view and select right side view, you can just click here also, you will get it, or you can select here also, you will get it. See here, these both are same height. Just go to southeast isometric. If you need to make this cone in this plane, now this plane, it is in top. Okay, see, if you go to the top, you will get it XY direction. If you made any object, you will get it here. I just go to southeast and I select this one to global. So here you can see it is changed to here. Now if you need to make your UCS here, just select here right. Select here right. So now it is changed to X and Y here, and I click this cone and it is ready. Now you can make cone like this. Again I just go to the cone and I click the base point, give the base radius, and here we have another option, axis endpoint. If you select axis endpoint, you can make cone in any direction. Okay, which is your axis endpoint, you can select any direction. If you select any direction, it will place like this. Now I just placed here. If I go to the top view, you can see the direction has been changed. It is not in Y direction, it is not in X direction, not in Z direction also. See here, it is coming from Z direction also. So this is the way you can use axis endpoint option also. Just go to cone again, click the base point and the base radius. Here we have another one option, top radius. If you given the top radius, which is the radius, you can give the value also, or you can just make like this. And what is the height, you will get it with 2 radius and height. Again I just go to the cone and I click here, make the base radius 250 units, enter, and I just go to the top radius, make it 150, enter. Now you can see you will get it the 2 radius, and I give the height 400, enter. So like that, using values also you can create Chrome. This is the way to create 3D codes in AutoCAD.